So like next topic, right? Roman Reigns says the big dog is dead, right? Yes, I said that. Roman Reigns thinks the big dog is dead. You guys don't know. You guys don't know, right? You guys don't know. You guys don't know. The big dog was one of the personas of Roman Reigns before he did the tribal chief or something. Really? Stumbles. You guys didn't know. This is gonna be my quote. There is no big dog. Roman Reigns says he's dead now. You know, he thinks it's dead, bro. The big dog is dead. So he does not even see the other guy. The other guy is that persona right there, the big dog. Roman says the big dog doesn't even exist. I get why. Because WWE made him do split. He was spelled dog food or he changed it to the thing. And last, Roman says it didn't happen. So he's basically saying he's trying to forget that person, even though it's on the KSS channel already and it's on the WWE network already. So